And so when I look at your record, I just keep following the tracks. That's what I've got to do. And so when I follow the tracks, this is what I see. You consider Justice Scalia, one of the most conservative judges in the history of the Supreme Court, as your mentor. You criticize the decision written by Justice Roberts upholding the Affordable Care Act. That is, to me, one big track. Even if you didn't consider yourself criticizing him personally, you criticized the reasoning. You then said in another case about the Affordable Care Act that you would that you liked the legal reasoning, that he had the better legal argument, that Justice Scalia had the better legal argument. You have signed your name to a public statement featured in an ad, a paid ad, that called for an end to what it called, the ad called, the barbaric legacy of Roe v. Wade, which ran on the anniversary of the 1973 Supreme Court decision. You disagreed with long-standing precedent on gun safety, which said that felons shouldn't be able to get guns, something that was pretty important to me when I had my old job in law enforcement. This is something that Senator Durbin asked you about. You suggested that you agree with the dissent in the marriage equality case, Obergefell, that it wasn't the role of the court to decide that same-sex couples had the right to be married. I think this was in a lecture you gave where you said the dissent's view was that it wasn't for the court to decide. People could lobby in state legislatures. And all this takes me to one point as I follow those tracks down that path. And it takes me to this point where I believe, and I think the American people have to understand, that you would be the polar opposite of Justice Ginsburg. She and Justice Scalia were friends, yes, but she never embraced his legal philosophy.